How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of ear pain due to earphones, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. Helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999. So ear pain is pretty common. I like to listen to my music when I am working out. Sometimes my workouts could be an hour. Normally for weights, they're about an hour, but I used to, and I still to this day do lots of long cardio sessions. So I do lots of endurance training actually, and there are some times where I'll do a cardio session, 2-3 hours, and I'll have my earphones in the whole time. And I do get ear pain sometimes due to the earphones. The thing with earphones is they're not meant to be in your ears. Like, they're fine to be in your ears for a short period of time. But once you start getting, in my opinion, after a couple hours, every time I get ear pain after like 2, 3, 4 hours. So what I normally do is when I go for long cardio sessions, I'll actually just have the music playing on my phone and I'll listen through it from my phone. But there are things that you can do. Your ears will eventually get used to the earphones if you listen to them for a long period of time. And that's kind of what happened with me. I can listen now 3-4 hours with earphones in, even 6 hours, and I don't feel any pain. So I would say once you start feeling the pain or before feeling the pain, take them out, rest them, and then put them back in when the pain has subsided. To get rid of the actual pain from the earphones, it's really quite easy. Literally a warm compress. Warm compress, what it'll do is it'll soften the area. It'll basically get rid of all the pain. A lot of times when you have pain from earphones, it's due to inflammation. So that warm compress will actually get the blood flowing. It'll actually get rid of the pain. Some people recommend eardrops. The thing with eardrops is that it's not, the pain is more in this area. I found it's not actually inside your ear, so the eardrops really don't work. I have tried them before. They just don't do much work. There's a hair dryer trick that you can do where you just get a hair dryer, you put it like this far away from your ear, and it just blows warm air onto your ear. This is literally the exact same thing as putting a warm compress on your ear. I would do the warm compress before the hair dryer, because if you put the hair dryer too close to your ear, that's really going to hurt. Cold compress will work too. Personally, I think the warm compress is much better because we're looking to get rid of the pain. Cold compress does work for pain. It's more to prevent swelling and stuff like that. You can take a pain reliever, Tylenol, stuff like that. That's very common. I've never done that. I don't think the pain is that bad in my opinion, but yeah, lots of different ways. Literally warm compress will fix it. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching.